Throughout the videos, we're going to look at the trauma experience from several points of view, and we'll be referring to 10 important principles and some of the associated practices that can be used as examples of how these principles can be employed. As we progress through the videos, I'm joined by a small group of highly respected colleagues, and we'll hear their feedback and we'll discuss each principle and how it might be applied in practice. To get the most from this workshop, I recommend experimenting with the principles on your own mat and in your own personal home practice. Exploring in your own direct experience how these principles align with and integrate into your own tradition and your own influences. There are many ways these 10 principles can be explored. You'll think of more practices to draw upon from your own repertoire. If you understand the principles, you can be creative with your choices of practices. You'll find accompanying this video 2 sets of notes, one noting the 10 principles and the other reviewing some really basic science. Thanks for your interest in these ideas.